Hi guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can fix or freeze a specific column in Google Sheet. So here's my sheet. Go to your Google Sheet, and if you want to freeze a specific column, just choose that. Like I'm choosing this A column. After clicking on this, it will be marked like this. Then you have to go View on top. Click on this, and you will find the second option, Freeze. Don't click, it will come automatically. Then you have to click on one column. If you want to freeze one column, just click on this and see the column is freeze. Okay, so here's the borderline, that means it is freezed. I'm showing you if it's working or not. If I slide this, all data is moving, okay, but this column is not moving. That means it is freeze. Okay, so guys, this is how you can freeze or fix a column in Google Sheet. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.